Stemsight is a deep tech startup from Finland developing stem cell-based therapies for blindness. Stemsight aims to cure corneal blindness by providing off-the-shelf stem cell-based therapies.
Nearly 20 years I have worked with human pluripotent stem cells, and from the beginning it has been our team's main mission to use these cells for regenerative medicine. In 2014, we discovered how to differentiate limbal stem cells that are needed to treat lymphostem cell deficiency, the severe and painful form of corneal blindness.
Corneal blindness causes a huge burden to patients and to society. In limbal stem cell deficiency, the normal function of the corneal surface is destroyed. Currently, the available treatments require donor corneal tissue from the patient or a close relative. These operations often have limited success rates due to the variability of donor tissue. Our technology enables us to manufacture vast amounts of standard quality limbal stem cells, and unlike the current treatment options, we're not affected by the constant shortage of donor corneal tissue.
My name is Jyrki Liljeroos and I'm the chairman of Stemsight OY Board of Directors. I'm very much excited to be a part of the company's success. My background is that I've been working almost 40 years in the ophthalmic pharmaceutical industry. Stemsight has a very good and professional team to develop the product further.
Induced pluripotent stem cells are a completely new class of drug, and despite their tremendous potential, there are no products on the market yet.
Stemsight has a vision for the future.
In future, with our pipeline technologies, we are able to use the same induced pluripotent stem cells to produce other cell therapies and address much larger patient population suffering from different forms of corneal blindness.
Then we can truly cure blindness with stem cells.